Hello everyone and dear children, once again welcome back to Teaching and Learning STEM Concepts. Before entering into the video, please consider to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting upcoming videos. Today in this video, we are going to practice number sequence puzzles. Children, what is a sequence? Yes, a sequence is an ordered list of numbers. A number sequence puzzle means a list of finite sequence of numbers. Look at the problem. In the given problem, we have different square boxes in which a sequence of numbers 1, 1, 2, 6 are given, and we need to find out the number which comes after the number 6. Okay children, now let us start to find out the number which comes after the number 6. Now let us write all the given numbers in a column. Now children, have a look at the number of lines between each number boxes. These lines are called end lines. So in the above diagram, these end lines and the numbers are interrelated to each other. Now let us count and write the number of lines present after each number. There is only one line after the number 1 in the first box. And there are 2 lines after the number 1 in the second box. And there are 3 lines after the number 2 in the third box. At last, there are 4 lines present after the number 6 in the fourth box. Now, let us multiply the numbers with their end lines. 1, 1 is 1, and this one comes as the next number in the sequence. Now, 1 into 2 is 2. Now, this 2 comes as the next number in the sequence. 2 into 3, 3 2s are 6. This 6 comes as the next number in the sequence. And there are 4 lines after the number 6. So 4 6s are 24. So what is the answer? Yes, the answer is 24. So there is only one line after the first number 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, which is the next number in the sequence. And there are 2 lines after the second number 1. So 2 1 is 2. This 2 comes as the next number in the sequence. And after the number 2, there are 3 lines. So 3 multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6. And this 6 comes as the next number in the sequence. And after the number 6, there are 4 lines. So 4 multiplied by 6. 4 6 are 24. I hope you all understand how to solve the next number in the given math puzzle diagram. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Teaching and Learning STEM Concepts.